You may want to share your IG story to your Facebook friends as well. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to share Instagram story to Facebook story. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's head on straight to the Instagram application right here. And the first thing that we're going to do is to make sure that our Facebook account is connected to our Instagram account. So to do that, click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Click on this 3-bar line at the top right corner. Click on settings. And click on Accounts Center right here. Now click on Accounts. And from here, as you can see, I still have not connected my Facebook account to my Instagram account. So if that is on your case as well, just click on Add Accounts and then Add Facebook Account. And most of the time, Instagram will detect what Facebook account is logged into your device. So it will pop up right here. So this is the account that I want to connect to this Instagram account. So just click on continue if that is right. Click on add and wait for it to be added to your Instagram account. So since it has now been added, let's go back to the pages. And now let's click on this plus icon at the top right part of the screen. Click on story. Now click on the media, photo, video you want to post in your story, or you can also go to the camera page to take a photo, video, or any media you want to post to your story. So I'm just going to click on a photo, and for example, I want to post this to my Instagram story and want to share it to my Facebook story as well. What you're going to do is to click on this arrow icon pointing to the right at the bottom right part of the screen, and then click on sharing options. So from here, you would be able to have two options. So you can share to Facebook every time. This means that you can share your Facebook story every time you post your Instagram story. So it will be automatically shared. So you can also opt to just share once. So it will only be shared once your Facebook story. So I'm just going to click on share to Facebook every time so that it will be automatically posted like that. And just click on share and it will be posted both to your Instagram and Facebook story. So that is how you basically share Instagram story to Facebook story. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.